it old school, so you can feel cool. Give it to me, baby. Baby. Yeah.
Are you guys ready to see more of Shelby? Well, hey, this is the point where I, Mark, the other chopstick guy, has to apologize. Here's what happened. We did this amazing shoot last week in an almond orchard just outside of Sacramento, California, at one of our friends' farms, and with our good friend Shelby as our model. I took some incredible video of Shelby and of Steve, the other chopstick guy, creating just magical photos. Got home, got distracted. Instead of downloading the images or the video, I actually deleted it. I tried to run a card program that actually restores my card. It was able to recover 3 pieces of video, and that was it. So there really is no video to show you this week of that shoot. But here's what I want to tell you. Steve and I went into this shoot thinking that, you know, let's just go out today and let's just have a good time shooting. Now, we don't get to shoot a lot just for the fun of it. We do a lot of stuff for work. We do commercial work. We do senior portraits. We do stuff that you never see, the stuff that pays the bills. But this last week, we were just gonna go out and have some fun, and we wanted to video it, but as we were driving there, Steve said, you know what, Mark, let's not push trying to make some kind of epic picture. You know, a lot of times you go into a shoot and in your mind, all you're saying is, I've gotta create this epic image, and then guess what happens? The epic image doesn't come to be. Maybe there's not enough flowers on the tree, maybe just an element is missing. But we went into this with really not thinking, you know, like, ooh, this is just gonna be the end-all be-all incredible photo shoot. We just went out and had some fun. But in doing that, the pressure was off, and we actually, I believe, ended up with some epic photos. So I don't have video, or at least I don't have much video to show you of what actually went on. So this is a bit of a vanity post. It's a bit of a, you know, mea culpa, I'm sorry, because I deleted the images. Yep. You know what I always say? You gotta fail to learn. I failed last week. Guess what I learned? I will not do that again. I am going to be careful with what I do with the footage, but we want to show you right now some of the images that we got that day. Listen, we went out to shoot the almond orchard. I think the most epic photos of the day weren't even in the almond orchard. At one point, we turned to our right and said, look at all the almond hulls they had pushed up into this giant pile that actually had caught on fire, so they were smoldering. The sun started to set and backlit these hulls, you know, the smoke, and I believe those were some of our greatest images. So thanks for watching. This is Mark, the other chopstick guy, saying, I'm sorry.
Well, folks, it's time to kick it old school.